Hi, I'm Lo Myrick. Thanks so much for purchasing this holiday survival guide. It is a crash course in making your holidays not only more tolerable, but more enjoyable. I'm going to give you 5 simple shifts for an amazing holiday season. These are proven. I've been using them for the last 7 years and been teaching them for about the past 3. And I'm telling you that it has transformed Novembers and Decembers for so many people. So, who is this for? If you've struggled with holiday gatherings in the past with friends, coworkers, or family, or you're dreading the holidays this year for any reason, whether it's all of the desserts or all of the presents you have to get and all the money you're going to have to spend, this workshop, this presentation is for you. You are going to learn how to spend less time and money on gifts, less time meaning less time finding them, have a better relationship with food, improve your interactions with others, be able to respond to awkward questions, relax without feeling guilty about it, say no politely, and reduce your stress and improve your relationships. There is just so much goodness jam packed into here. And so I'm just going to get right to it. My promise to you is that you are going to get tools and strategy to have the most amazing holiday season ever. You won't dread the holidays. And no matter if you're watching this on December 1st or December 24th or 25th, you will be able to implement these strategies and completely transform your experience. Okay, a couple of quick house rules. This is not a band-aid solution. We are actually going to get to the root cause of the problem so that you can interact with these challenges or people in a healthy way. This isn't about avoiding people, and things are not going to magically change unless you change. And remember, you cannot control other people. You can only control your reactions and your own behavior. So, do any of these sound familiar? You're spending way too much time and money on buying gifts for other people. You're eating way too much, so many sweets. You're having these uncomfortable conversations with people in the family or friends. You have endless obligations and invites to different events. You're stressed out from your job and having to get all the gifts and, attend all of the different things going on. Your family's super nosy or you have family drama. You don't have any time to relax, and you might be experiencing some relationship stress as well. With all of these things happening, the big question, the real question is, are you secretly dreading the entire month of December or whatever holiday season is approaching for you? And not that you would admit this to anyone, but it's kind of annoying, right? There's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of stress, you don't get to relax, and you just really can't wait to get through New Year's and get to the new year. You're not enjoying this whole month of your life because of everything that is going on. Well, here's the thing. The real problem is you have not made what I like to call the shifts. So once you make the shifts, you're going to have more time for yourself. You're going to feel good when you spend money. You're going to eat without feeling guilty. What a relief. Am I right? You're going to be able to navigate awkward conversations, or formally awkward conversations, I should say. You'll have less stress and you'll be able to relax without feeling guilty. You'll improve your most important relationships. And people are going to want to know what your secret is because you're going to be so happy and relaxed. And they're going to be like, why are you just gliding through this holiday? And this is literally a hell for me. Who I am really quickly. I am a lover of life, a recovered overachiever. Trust me, it's better to be an achiever. I'll talk about this a little bit today, and I talk about this in my other courses. And I am a dedicated lifelong learner. I competed at an elite level for 15 years as a swimmer and water polo player. The rest of these accolades show you that I truly was an overachiever. I've worked at a Fortune 10 company, helped build multiple startups, and have been a global sales and development director for over 300,000 people worldwide. I have been a trained life coach through CTI for 10 years. an advanced Psych K facilitator, and a trained trauma specialist. I've worked with hundreds of people one-on-one and in my workshops and presented live to audiences as large as 8,000. Okay, the 5 shifts. This is the meat of the presentation. I hope you're ready. I hope you have something to take notes with, whether it's a pen and paper or you're taking notes on your computer. This is it. If you are interested in purchasing this workshop, look at the description. There is a link, or go to my website, lowmyrick.com, and you can find it for purchase there.